Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a countertop stylings using the electric pasta cookers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. It is about like a 24 inches wide. And depth of the unit is about like 18 and 3/4 inches. And the height is almost about like a 9.5 inches tall. So as we can see the unit design, they come in with a 6 space zone for the pasta cooking, and also they come in with 3 of the indicator lights on the top of the units, and also have a power light for 3 of those, and the switchers, and this is faucets helping you to exhaust all the waters inside. And for this one, it is about like a 4 inches deep, and we can take a look closer to see the inner side. We have a 6 of the individual the basket inside. You can pull it out for each of the dimensions. It's about like a 5 inches diameter on top and about 5 inches deep too. They all 6 have the same space. And when we remove all this basket, we can see they have a holder. They have a covers here. And this is the position for you to put all the waters in, and dimensions of it. It's about like a 13.5 inches long and almost about like 8 inches wide. They comes up like a 6.5 inches deep. From the manufacturers, they give you a couple accessories. First, they come in with a bag of the accessories in this bag. They give you the couple holders and the spoons and the salt, this container for salt and the brush, and also the units standard using the 220 powers. This one is from the manufacturer to give you the informations, the 30 amps maximum on this one. And also the manufacturer offer you a big list on top of it. When you're trying to storage it, you can just put on this one and remove out basket and put inside too. So this one is made by stainless steels. That's what will be the all demonstration information about these products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.